We're extremely happy with our collaboration between the Athens Center, the Hellenic Open University, the University of West Attica, and the Ministry of Culture.
Very important event, and it's important for our university as we are trying to be an international university, an open university, open to different cooperations, to different disciplines. So I think this is going to bring us closer to the international community of the area, and we just hope that this is going to be a first step towards our development.
Η συνεργασία της αρχαιολογίας με την τεχνολογία είναι πάρα πολύ σημαντική για να γίνει πραγματικά η πολιτιστική κληρονομιά κτήμα όλων των ανθρώπων.
Pay attention to high quality cultural heritage data that are very important for training such systems. AI is a transformative way of doing research, and as a co-scientist, we will see in the next year the way of looking at data for the past and interpreting the future.
Digital heritage research is evolving ever so quickly, and so the opportunity to share our research with our colleagues across the world, as we're very much an international organization, and we want to come together, collaborate with each other, take our information back to our colleagues at home, and we try to do this every year. And it enables us to sort of keep things moving forward, and for CAA to really help push the boundaries. And I can't imagine a better place than here in Athens to do that.
The cutting-edge research that is always on display here, really bringing the best and the brightest from around the world, who are really pushing the frontiers for our use of computers, computational approaches to studying the past.
Bringing together hundreds of researchers, professionals, and practitioners from around the world, this year's conference is not only extensive in scope, with a record number of submissions and a dense, high-quality program, but also reflective of how much the field has evolved.
Digital methods are no longer supporting tools. They are reshaping research agendas, opening new interpretative possibilities, and redefining how we engage with cultural heritage, both academically and publicly.
Really looking forward to meet with all my colleagues from all over the world.
Hello everyone, I'm really happy to be here to take part in this lovely conference, and I'm really happy to meet you guys. Thank you.
This is my first time in Greece playing, and I would like to thank CAA for this travel, bursary and all, and giving the opportunity for presenting this paper for this conference.
A presentation to explain the relationship between computer application in bioarchaeology, and that's the first time to do that.
CAA really opens research to anyone. It's really a bottom-up approach, from really experienced people to just junior researchers, really. And I really like to learn from all these different insights.
So we have the chance to meet with over 700 delegates, which present their paper and also organize workshops. So practical way of doing archaeology and digital archaeology nowadays in this conference.